Hi everyone. Today I want to sharing if your AutoGate still using the underground system. Underground system normally is more than 15 years, so very lasting. But if you realize it's very slow, the opening, closing very slow. So this one can be say 90% is because water get in. So actually you need to clean the inside the water and then you can use back the motor. Normally the motor can be used back one. You need to clean the motor only. So important is how you're going to open the underground. You got the screw, the one is an Allen key. They were very hard to open one actually because more than 15 years outdoor. You every time you got hot sun and rain, so actually you need to use the Allen key. Most people, example I put here, this screw. So if I open like this, it will lose the head. So you need the spanner. You need this spanner behind got hole. You need to go in the hole. You need to do it like this. You have to turn like this. But sometimes this way also cannot. If this way also cannot, then no choice. You have to use the hammer. This one hammer, you need to knock and turn like this. And when you knock and turn it, so when you knock, a lot of people using a hammer, some holding here like that, cannot. You have to hold behind, more powerful. You hold behind, and then you knock just knock up like that. Now up, no like that. You need to knock and then you hold there. You knock, you're holding there. Because if you knock like that, he spoil the head only. So you need to knock, turn. Your hammer still holding there. Don't come out first. Knock, you're holding there. Because more powerful one. Like martial art, same thing. When we punch, we not punch. No energy one. You need to punch and hold there. The energy will fully go up. Same like the hammer. You knock the time, you need to knock and hold it. Knock and hold it. Don't knock and go up. Knock and go up. Knock and go up. He don't have the power to push it. So after you open the screw, you can see the motor. This is a motor. The motor, because water get in, that's why it's very slow. You need to clean up the water. Then after that, because inside still got water, what you can do is you also need to use a hammer. You go and knock like this. You must facing down, not like that, facing down, because let the water come out from here. You do like that, actually the good way you do like this, he can refresh inside the carbon brush, because the carbon brush inside got the powder, so maybe he blocking the coin. So you knock, all the powder will come out here. So why the underground very reliable? Because it's using the metal gear. That's why this one can last really long on this motor. So after you clean it up, you dry maybe 1 day hot sun, fully dry, then you put back. When you put back, sure you clean the inside the water and then the side. At the side, if you got the gasket, you change the gasket. No gasket, you have to put the silicone. Very important, you have to put the silicone. If not, water go in again. So you put the silicone around, and then inside, actually the motor got wire one. When it joining part, the underneath there, the one got 2 holes. The hole you also need to cover it, so prevent the water come from the inside. So this is what I want to share today. Thank you.